Many people throw away eggshells thinking they are useless, but they are actually a valuable addition to any garden. In this video, you will learn why they are so useful and how to use them properly. Stay tuned until the end, because I will show you the most effective way to use them. And you friends, quickly subscribe to our channel so that we can sail through organic gardening together. Eggshells are rich in calcium, which helps plants develop strong cell walls and prevents flower rot in tomatoes and peppers. Ground shells can serve as a natural barrier against snails and other pests. When sprinkled around plants, their sharp structure makes it difficult for snails to move. By adding shells to the soil, you improve its structure and enrich it with useful minerals. They can also be used in compost, where they help balance acidity and speed up the decomposition process. The best way to use them is to grind them into a fine powder and add them to the soil or mix them with the watering water. This way, the plants will easily absorb the nutrients. If you found this tip useful, write in the comments whether you use eggshells in your garden. See you in the next video.